morning, besties. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iddah Mapenzi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, we love you so much. So it's in the morning. Did I say good morning? I hope I did. So guys, today as usual, I'm expecting a delivery, and I really hope it's what I ordered for, or it's what is in my head, because I will cause wahala. I'm really sorry, I just woke up and I don't understand why I'm this happy. But anyway, I love receiving packages and I'm here for all of that, and alhamdulillah. So guys, okay, I'm so excited. Why am I excited? But I need to clean this house. This house is a mess. This house is a mess. So I want to clean my house before the delivery guy comes and brings what he's supposed to bring, because that is my biggest reveal. And I feel the whole of this year, because you see, this year in a kind of like in a bado last year, like it's still young. Last year my greatest purchase was my couch, my chester seat, and hey bro, I was all over the moon. I was like, hey, me Mape buy a seat, how dare me? Okay. So today that delivery is going to be my greatest purchase this year so far, unless anything changes and like God decides, you know what, girl, you're working too hard and I want to bless you more and more and more. So thank you guys for watching my vlog, supporting me. I love you so much. And I'm really surprised that the other vlog, okay, am I surprised? I think I'm just like, I'm happy. The other vlog is 21 minutes and it has like 50 plus views. Bro, the 50 of you watching my vlog, love it. So I'd really love if you're watching my vlogs, kindly just comment to Apomanake. We decided from now henceforth we are not doing short vlogs. So if it's not 15, it's gonna be 20 minutes plus, yeah. So, and yeah, I'm happy for all of that, and I really want to put myself to the task. And this is the second vlog for this week, 20 minutes. I didn't come to play, girl. Anywho, guys, I'm over the moon. Like, wow, I'm so excited. So I want to like clean my house, raka apapale, and then oh, my friend is also coming today. I don't know if she'll. One thing about my friend, that's shy, dead as shy. So I don't know if she'll want to feature in our channel today. But yeah, thank you, and kindly like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back. So I finished cleaning my home. It's now in the afternoon. The delivery guy came, and whatever he delivered wasn't what I ordered for, so he had to go and redo whatever he was supposed to, or whatever, you know. So yeah, because I'm not going to pay for something and then you deliver trash. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to be that babe. So yeah, I told him to redo the work. So he just went back with whatever he came with. So yeah, I really hope the next time he delivers, it will be something something I really wanted. And what else? Yeah, because I really can't wait for whatever it is that he was supposed to deliver Ifike, because I don't want to spoil Ifike so that my house looks cute. Anyway guys, thank you for watching till here. Like, share and subscribe, and yeah, and don't forget to comment, and yeah, see you when you see me. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ida and this is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, we love you so much, and yeah, like, share and subscribe. So guys, today I'm from town. I was in Dubois. I was in Dubois, and of course the only thing that takes me to Dubois is perfumes, because my other set ilikuwa imeisha. Sai it's almost a month niko nikiuziza ma CEO. So yeah, but my CEO bottle is cute. Let me show it to you a second. So here it is. This is the CEO bottle I use, and inakwanga ni pink chiffon na I think sweet Camilla ama kitu kayo. Yeah, but it's strong, like literally hainibamba. I think niyo sweet Camilla ndo, but yeah. So this time I managed to get this is a dupe. Oh, these perfumes or scents are from this scent, such as the table. Is the scents ni dupes the original. So yeah, and the price is also quite affordable. So this is the dupe for Coco Chanel. The other time dupe yake ilikuwa ile chupa refu. This time napata hii chupa, I don't know why, but yeah. So this is how it looks, and it's cute. Yeah man, like it's so cute. It's so cute. And yeah, that's how this was up. Na inanukia vizuri jamani, inanukia vizuri. And then jamani, ona venye inaka vizuri. And then I really can't wait to, I really wish singetupa ile chupa ingine, but anyway, I'll add another perfume. Guys, this one looks so cute. Let me put it here, admire. No, hamtaniangalia. So I managed to get this one. I've never tried this one, but it smells so nice. It's called Tresor. Tresor. I think it's a French word. Tresor, Midnight Rose, and it smells heavenly. Again, and I can't wait to mix these perfumes and just smell like Rihanna. Inanukia vizuri, and it's not strong. One thing I hate scenting. I hate smelling perfumes. They give me migraines, but I was having, now this is Baccarat. You know, you could never go wrong with Baccarat and Coco Chanel. The other time I was mixing Baccarat and Coco Chanel, and people were like, oh my god, it smells so nice. Which perfume is that? I'm like, it's Coco Chanel, darling. So yeah, this time round I managed to get Baccarat again. So Baccarat, ile last time it was in the same bottle. So yeah. And let me tell you, these perfumes last me roughly for 3 to 4 months, and they last long on your body or on your clothes, and they are not as strong like zile za kupea migraines, and they're sweet. I love sweet fruity scents. So this is how they look, and they're cute. Zinaka vizuri jamani. Ukitop na hii nini yangu, my perfume collection is gonna look shade. Jamani. 3 minutes, how dare you. So yeah, that's what's up, baby. So what did I want to say? I really hope this Tresor Midnight Rose is really like as good as the Baccarat one, and yeah, I really hope it can last for that long, because come on, bra staki kusikia. So yeah, and these are the bottles. This one for Coco Chanel, for Baccarat Rogue 540, and Midnight Rose 4. And the place where I got these things in dubois, it's Perida House Center, ground floor. Look for Imani Cosmetics. And of course, if you know anything about dubois, we are plugged by Petra Ndongwa. Petty is the plug. So yeah, and the things are quite affordable, so don't smell like problems, and you can just be a fine babe. Bye. See you when you see me. Duh.